Hello, thank you very much for watching me today, and thank you very much for being part of the Skilled Hands journey and a member of this family. We really appreciate you and we love you. Today, our channel has over 3,000 subscribers. We couldn't have done it without you. So thank you very much for watching us. There's something else we'd like to share with you today. Because of your subscription, your support, today YouTube has allowed us to monetize our channel. This gives us the opportunity to have membership status, so you'll be able to subscribe as a member on this channel. What this does is it gives you added perks. This does not mean that we are going to be charging you for the videos you're enjoying. All the videos you're already enjoying for free, you continue to enjoy that. From time to time, we'll also be making videos for you to continue to enjoy, but when you become a member, you get to enjoy some perks. What we have done is to put our membership into 3 status, so you can either join as a bronze member, or you can join as a silver member, or you can also join as a gold member. Now each level of membership comes with its perks. So when you join as a bronze member, you get to enjoy the perks of a special badge that comes along your name. So that special badge will be attached to your name. You also enjoy special emojis attached to your name as well, and you would enjoy a membership only chat. Anytime we come up live, you'll be able to chat with us, ask your questions on live, and you'll also be able to enjoy priority reply. So anytime you send us a message, we will reply as quickly as possible to you when we get to see your badge or your emoji attached to the message, so we know that you are a member and you get to enjoy all of these perks. Now when you subscribe as a silver member, you enjoy all the perks of the bronze, together with early access to new videos. So anytime we post a video, you get to see it first or as quickly as possible. Then you also enjoy membership shout outs, so we will be shouting out your names and stuff like that, or you want us to talk about something about your channel, you want us to mention your channel in our videos, we will do that for you. If you become a silver member, we can also talk about a product for you if you are a silver member. Those are some of the perks you'll be enjoying. You will also get to enjoy exclusive membership only videos. So there will be some videos we'll just be doing for members, and that you would get to enjoy as well. You also enjoy membership only live streams. There will be times when we only stream for members only, and if you are a silver member, you will get to enjoy that as well. Now for the gold membership, you get to enjoy all the perks for the bronze, the silver, and in addition to that, we will follow you on your social media channels. So we'll follow you on 2 of your social media channels, and then there'll be special quarterly live streams that you in this group get to enjoy. We'll say a massive thank you for how far we have come on this journey. We couldn't have made it without you. So we encourage you to become a member of our channel, so that we will enjoy all these perks together with you. We will be able to do greater things on this channel and enjoy ourselves. Have a brilliant day, and thank you very much for becoming the first member of Skilled Hands organization.